Particle is moving with a constant acceleration from A to B in a straight line AB. If u and v are the velocities at A and B respectively, then its velocity at the midpoint. It is required to find the midpoint velocity. Yes or no? Let's student, this is the point A. The particle moved to point B. And here when the particle started, the initial velocity was u, and the particle at the end velocity, final velocity is v. And the total distance, let's student, s. We're required to find this midpoint velocity. What is the velocity at this point? Yes or no? Friends, you know equation of motion is applicable only for particle moving with uniform acceleration. Yes or no? For the total journey, if I'll put the equation of motion, third equation, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Yes or no, student? So as, how much I will get? V square minus u square by 2. Okay. Next, student, midpoint velocity at this point is vc. Yes or no? So for that, students, what can we write? This distance is s by 2, na? S by 2. Yes or no? So vc square minus u square is equal to 2 into a into s by 2. Correct? Yes or no? So student, vc square is equal to how much? U square plus as. Yes or no? And as is equal to how much, student? What we found from here, as is equal to how much? V square minus u square by 2. Yes or no? So let's take the LCM 2. So 2u square plus v square minus u square is equal to how much? 2u square minus u square is how much? U square. U square plus v square by 2. Correct. Vc is going to be how much? Vc कितना हो पहले? U square plus v square by 2. Correct? Yes or no? So this is going to be the fourth option. The car starting from rest is moving with a constant acceleration a. Acceleration is a pile, till it attains a velocity v meter per second. After that, it moves with a constant retardation d. Retardation is d, till it comes to rest, means v is equal to 0. The average speed of the car during its whole journey is given by how much? Friends, if I'll go for graphical representation of velocity time graph, starting from rest, let for some time, the velocity become how much? Maximum velocity v. Yes or no? Rate of acceleration is a, and let this time is students t1. Let the time taken to accelerate and to reach the velocity v from rest is equal to, from v is t1. तापर पुणी पिले कोन होची रिटार्डेशन होची d रे केते पर्यंत till it comes to rest पुणी d रिटार्ड हला मनकर रिटार्डेशन टाइम लागि t2 then average speed पे actually total distance by total time taken velocity time graph रो कोन टा दिया हमको distance velocity time graph रो हमको कोन दे distance area ना
सर एरिया
है ना তাহলে এই যে velocity time graph রে total area টা মু কাট দেবি এই total area টা মধ্যে কোন দব distance total distance covered হয় ना रे पिले average speed से पचार average speed रो कोन formula average speed रो कोन formula total distance covered by total time taken total distance covered by total time taken. Total distance covered केमती बाहर करी half base into height ना half into base टा केते t1 plus t2 into height केते v divided by total time केते t1 plus t2 तल cancel लेवल केते होची केवल v by 2 ओके ना तल average speed केते v by 2 यदि प्ले बेले बेले टाइम पचारला स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम रेस्ट माने v is equal to u plus 80 यदि पकाए तले v टा केते हबो v is equal to u0 81 ओके ना तले t1 टा केमति काढिबी v by a तुम सेकंड केस में यदि पचारला एटी अछि v एटी अछि 0 तो v is equal to u plus 80 यदि पकाए पिले तले v जगह 0 u जगह हे गेला v प्लस d प्लस 1 तो पिले माइनस हो बिकॉज़ रिटार्डेशन इज माइनस d into t2 तले v is equal to केते dt2 तले t2 is equal to केते जो पिले v by d रिटार्डेशन बुझ परला यदि पचारला के टाइम काढे t1 and t2 तले एवरेज स्पीड केते हला v by 2 a driver takes 0.2 second to apply the brakes after he sees a need for it जो 0.2 सेकंड में कि बेले बेले क्वेश्चन देथियो रिएक्शन टाइम है मतलब ब्रेक मारिबो गाटा रहिबो संग संग रहिबो किस तो लागिवो ना if he is driving at a speed of 54 km per hour and brakes cause the deceleration of 6 meter per second square the distance by the car after he sees the need to put the brakes केते डिस्टेंस से जाइथिबो ब्रेक करके रखिया भितरे ले केते जाउतला यू 54 km per hour केते सेटा 54 into 5 by 18 केते सेटा 38 54
सर मीटर पर सेकंड कर देले
15 मीटर पर सेकंड
15 मीटर पर सेकंड ऑप्शन टा से मीटर देछि काई करियो मीटर पर सेकंड पहले रिएक्शन टाइम रे से केते बड़ जाइथिबो ब्रेक कला बंदा तो एक्सीलरेट करनी ना से 15 मीटर पर सेकंड रे केते समय पाइ जिवो 0.2 सेकंड पाइ जाइथिबो ना तले ब्रेक मारिया समय केते समय जाइथिबो अछि u into t 15 माने ब्रेक जो मार देला केते स्पीड जते स्पीड ला सेते रे खसी खसी जीवो ना कांस्टेंट स्पीड किस समय थिबो ना तले 15 into 0.2 केते 3 मीटर जाइथिबो ब्रेक मारला
3 मीटर
सेकंड रे प्ले कोन कहूची ता पर से ब्रेक मार दे ब्रेक टा मार दे कोन चढ़ी गला के ब्रेक ऊपर गाड़ी तो उल्टी जीवो तले ब्रेक टा मारी छड़ा हो ना आस्ते आस्ते सेकंड रे केते जाइथिबो से s2 is equal to केते हो धर s2 काढी सेकंड टा v स्क्वायर माइनस u स्क्वायर is equal to s टाइम को तो देनी काई टाइम को तो उठेबा ना v टा केते फाइनली 0 रेस्ट को पळी आछि माइनस u स्क्वायर is equal to 2 into केते रेट एक्सेलरेट है 6 माइनस 6 रे डी एक्सेलरेट तो माइनस 6 ले into s2 होला ना योटा केते करे 15 ना तो 15 रो स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 12 गुण s2 s2 टा केते हिजो 15 15 रे केते 225 डिवाइडेड बाय 12 केते बताले 18.75 गला सी सेकंड केस रे मीटर आगर केते आइतला 3 तो टोटल केते गेला बर्तन रहिया भीतर ब्रेक मारिबा और रहिया भीतर केते समय केते बड़ जाइथिबो से s1 plus s2 that is केते 4.75 21.75 meter correct was standing at the top of the tower टावर ऊपर पिलर छिड़ा हिची केते मीटर हाइट टावर 20 मीटर ग्राउंड रू बुझलो जी केते 10 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर the velocity with which it hits the ground ले फ्री फॉल करछि u is equal to 0 इटी वेलोसिटी ला v v स्क्वायर माइनस u स्क्वायर is equal to 2gh न्यूटा केते 0 हो गेला तले v स्क्वायर is equal to केते
2g
h v is equal to root under 2gh
yes
velocity just थोड़ा चिंता करन के 2 into 10 into 20 20 into 20 root 20 that is 20 meter per second चलो
Yes.
Body falling freely under gravity, u is equal to 0,
Yes sir, D टा हबो.
t is equal to 15 second, only t is equal to 15 second, 30 second, 15 minute gap, only 45 second, sorry, 5 second, next 5 second, that is 10 second, next that is t ହେଲା 15 second. କେତେ ଗ୍ୟାପ୍ ଯାଉଛି total each interval of time, ଯଦି କେତେ equal interval of time. ଯଦି କାଢିବି s1, sorry h1 କାଢିବି, h2 କାଢିବି, s3 କାଢିବି, the relation between h1, h2 and h3, it covers the distance of h1, h2, first 5 second h1, second 5 second h2, third 5 second h3. h1 is equal to कितना, half gt square, half into g कितने 10 5 रो square, h2 टा कितना हो पहले half into 10 into 10 रो square minus half into 10 into 5 रो square ना, टोटल टा 10 रे केते बाटा जाईची माइनस टोटल 5 रे केते बाटा जाईथिला फेड देले बाजी होनी केटा हा ना.
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट s3 यदि काढी पले टोटल s3 माने केते हाफ इनटू 10 इनटू 15 रो स्क्वायर माइनस ए 10 टा केते जाईची हाफ इनटू 10 इनटू 10 रो स्क्वायर बाहर कर 1:3:5 हो कि ना. जेतले बॉडी टा फ्रीली फॉल करे when a body falls freely, ratio of distance traveled in equal interval of time by the body starting from rest is still h1 is to s2 is to s3 is equal to h1 is to s2 is equal to s3 is equal to 1 is to 2 is to, sorry, 1 is to 3 is to 5, 1 is to 3 is to 5. Which pala pile h1 is equal to s2 by 3, that is equal to s3, s2 by 3, that is s3 by 5. A stone falls freely, u is equal to 0. Total distance covered by the last second. Let's say total time of journey is equal to n second. Last second means n minus 1 second. This is n minus 1 second. Distance covered in the last second is equal to distance covered by the first 3 seconds. First 3 seconds means let here t is equal to 0. So t is equal to 3 seconds. First 3 seconds means student how much distance? S3 is equal to how much? Half gt square. Half into g into t square, that is half into 10 into 3 rho square 9. So that is 45 meter. Then distance covered in the last second, friends, you know nth का formula क्या है? u0. So इसलिए a by 2 into 2n minus 1. But here g by 2 is 10 by 2 into 2n minus 1. That is 5 into 2n minus 1. Yes or no? So that 5 into 2n minus 1 is equal to how much? 45. Because s3 is equal to snth. That is 45 is equal to 5 into 2n minus 1. So 2n minus 1 is equal to 9. 2n is equal to 10. So n is equal to how much? 5 seconds. So it remained in air for 5 seconds. P. Got it? Body falls freely from the top of a tower. U is equal to 0. It covers a total height of 36% of the total height in the last second. In the last second means snth. Let total is n second. This is n minus 1 second. And this is 36% of the total height, let h. The height of the tower is how much? Students, let the height of the tower be h. Yes or no? Let the body takes n second to reach the ground. So students, total height h is equal to how much? Half gn square. Na? Yes or no? Last second means what? Ascent. Last second means ascent. Yes or no? Ascent is equal to how much? 0.36 h. 36% of h means 0.36 h. है ना? हो कि नहीं बिले? टोटल सी केते बाटा जाईची n - 1 सेकंड रे n minus 1 सेकंड रे केते बड़ जाई छी टोटल प्ले जदी h हला तले 36.0.6 तले 8 केते हबरे 0.64 h हबना टोटल h 0.36 पड़ला तले केते हबो 0.64 ना और टाइम टा केते n minus 1 सेकंड ना
Yes.
तले 0.64 h से जीवो केते t minus n minus 1 सेकंड रे that is half into g into n minus 1 whole square सॉल्व कर दो ठीक है तले 0.64 is equal to पहले h is equal to कितने पाइज हाफ gn स्क्वायर तले h जगह हाफ gn स्क्वायर पके देबे कि नहीं इनटू h जगह कितने पके देबे हाफ gn स्क्वायर पके देली is equal to कितने लागो हाफ g into n minus 1 होल स्क्वायर रहिला हाफ g कटि गला ना रे तले 0.64 n स्क्वायर is equal to कितने गला n minus 1 होल स्क्वायर ना 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 तले 0.64 is equal to कितने ही जीवो n minus 1 होल स्क्वायर बाय n स्क्वायर ना 64 माने कितने 64 by 100 ना is equal to n minus 1 होल स्क्वायर divided by n स्क्वायर ता रूट ओवर रूट ले कितने जीवो 28 टा 64 10 10 100 ताले 8 by 10 is equal to n minus 1 by n ताले को सॉल्व कर देले n is equal to कितने बारिबो 5 सेकंड हाइट ऑफ द टावर कितने करे h is equal to half gn स्क्वायर नहीं छने हम h is equal to half gn square so that is half into g टा हला 10 into 5 रो स्क्वायर तले कितने बारला 125 मीटर बुझ परला 5 50 125 5 50 25 2 50 10 तले कितने गला 125 मीटर सर जीव